The next 3 die sets are the explosion box pockets and layers, and mini box. The explosion box die is a 4-piece die set. It contains the bottom layer, middle layer, top layer, and the box lid. Be sure to die cut and emboss the lid following the directions for your die cutting machine. Embossing the dies will bring out the detail of the dies. For the explosion box, you're going to cut 2 pieces each for all 3 layers. Apply adhesive only in the center area. Then adhere the panels to each other. Repeat that process for all 3 layers. Now you can use the explosion box pockets and layers to embellish the explosion box. Add adhesive to the tabs. Repeat this process with the other layers. And then you can add a pocket flap. Turn it over and decorate the back side. And then finish with the bottom. Flip it over and decorate the back side. Next, apply adhesive to the center. And then stack the layers to form your box. Add the layers to the box lid. And then fold on the score lines. Add adhesive to the tabs. And then secure the lid. You can then close all the layers and add the lid to the box. You can also add the mini box to the center. Die cut and emboss these dies following the directions for your die cutting machine. Fold these panels on all score lines, then add adhesive to the tabs. Secure the tabs to the side. Add adhesive to the tabs to the top, then secure the tabs to form the lid. Adhere adhesive to the bottom of the box. And then adhere to the center of the explosion box. Then you can finish decorating and embellishing the explosion box. inspiration, visit our samples gallery, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Pinterest and Instagram.